Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you 5 free asset libraries you can use in Blender, 3D Max, Unreal Engine, and pretty much any other 3D app out there. First, Fab from Epic Games. This is what replaced Quixel Megascans. It's now a large marketplace where you can find models, materials, and scans. There are still some free assets available, but most of the content is now paid. Since it's a marketplace, assets come from different creators, so quality can vary. Next, LotPixel. This one is a bit different compared to traditional libraries. It focuses on PBR textures, 3D models, and decals, with a growing library of assets. There are over 6,000 assets in total, and more than 1,300 of them are free. One interesting thing here is that assets can be imported directly into your scene using their app or plugins. Polygon is a well-known platform, especially for high-quality textures and materials. Most of the content is paid, but they do offer a selection of free assets. The library is more curated, so overall quality is quite consistent. But compared to others, the amount of free content is more limited. Sketchfab is one of the most well-known platforms. It's community-driven, so thousands of creators upload assets. That means you get a huge variety of free content, but quality isn't always consistent. TurboSquid is another popular marketplace. You can find both free and paid assets here. Like other marketplaces, content comes from many different creators. So results can vary depending on what you download. And finally, Polyhaven. This one is fully focused on free content. You'll find HDRs, textures, and some models. The library is smaller, but everything is carefully curated, so quality is very consistent.